today it is easy to be grateful. For the first time since I bought this property 5 winters ago, if this happened, I had to sit in my car or be in a tent trying to stay warm with nothing but the solar heat that's been radiating on it for a while. And now that it's got a little bit of insulation, not only can I sit in shelter where I am comfortable, I can sleep through the rain if I didn't have all that other stuff to do. That would be an option. And I love the fact that I have that option. My back does need a break. It's been lifting way more than it's supposed to. But what can I say? I'm the only one that'll do it for free. And everyone else seems to think helping little old ladies, which I'm sorry. I don't care if I look it. I don't care if I act it. I don't care. I'm 64 years old. I don't plan on living forever. In fact, I still remember the whole reason I'm still doing all of this, because that was the promise I made to myself. I would either make it happen or I would die in the process of doing it. No plan B. This is the final project. This is the forever in this little body, you know. I'm semi-retired and I have everything that I need except a house to put it in, because technically I am homeless. I'm not on the streets, but I am homeless. And I'm trying to create a home, and I'm trying to save my business, my home-based business. A home-based business is kind of hard to run when you don't have a home to run it from. I have the next best thing. I have an office. I have a dog shelter. I have a human shelter. And I've got materials for even more. But I can't afford the cost of construction even when it's just handyman stuff. So who knows what corporate... sorry guys, I worked corporate construction. I've seen what men can do in a single day. And it's a lot more than anyone has been able to do for me for the amount of money I pay. But then when I offer what construction companies want, because they say that's how much they pay their laborers, I get told it's not enough. Look at my view. That's a view out my window. I love that view. I love this time of year. I love being able to be here. Again, today is a day when it is not hard to be so grateful. Even with all of this going on and all of that yet to do. But I will get it done. And then I need a frame made for a closet door. I don't understand why there isn't someone out there that can say, oh my gosh, putting together a frame. Let's see, that's going to take about 2 hours. When do you want me to be there? How about $50? All I'm doing is cornering out a square, attaching it to a wall. If you've got power tools, literally it's bam bam. This was done all by hand. The beautiful human being who did this for me was a skilled craftsman, a blacksmith by trade, more familiar and comfortable with hand tools than mechanical tools, except for when it came to his saw, apparently. Because I went and got a nail gun. He didn't have one of his own, and he didn't, as he said, I feel better using my own tools. So he was willing to do the work. I let him do it however he wanted to. We did have the one boo-boo, and I think I have found the solution. I do believe that panel can fit on this window. Won't know till I measure it. But that's what I was paying him to do because he has that skill. That's... Oh, look at that other view. And that view. And that view. And every single one of those views is the play yard now. So the play yard is now 12 feet wider, meaning we've got 2 more evergreens that I need to cut up and create a shade spot for puppy wuppies. So, yes, moving forward at a snail's pace, still moving forward. If I can get at least this, sometimes all it takes is I just need to be able to keep the vision, not lose sight of the goal. Even when it seems to be one delay after another. And anyone who's done any kind of remodel or construction or anything like that will understand exactly what I'm talking about.